guys, it's Hallie
and Celeste,
and we're back with the Lobo Howl
Happy Edition.
We know that January can get a little dark and gloomy.
You're back from Christmas break.
Maybe even some senioritis is kicking in.
But we have some great things about winter just for you.
We've got snow days.
Oranges.
Wait, I'm confused.
They're in season, Hallie.
Oh, okay. Less bugs.
Oversized sweaters. You know what else is great about January?
Seeing you smile.
Another great thing about January is winter formal.
Roll the clips. It's getting a little chilly.
Don't even worry about it, because next we have some hot wrestlers to heat this place up.
It might seem crazy what we're about to say.
Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way.
Because I'm happy.
Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof.
I'm not happy.
Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth.
Because I'm happy.
Clap along if you know what happiness is to you.
I'm happy.
Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news, talking this and that.
Wrestling makes us happy.
Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget, use your smile to change the world.
But don't let the world change your smile.
Stay happy, Lobos.
Celeste and Hallie.
Out.
What, Shay?
Be a Fruit Loop in a world full of Cheerios.